Welcome to Greg's Story. Ngayong araw, lalabas tayo para magbayad ng tuition ng aking daughter. So, hiramin natin yung sasakyan ng aking tatay para mai-service tayo. Alright. Time check nga pala, it's 9:31 ng umaga and lalabas pa rin tayo. So, we will see na lang mamaya kung anong mga ganap-ganap. So, subukan kong mag-vlog sa labas. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. Let's go.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
Time check 9:46. And kumusta kaya ang traffic ko dyan sa sentro ng bayan na? May niisip ako, guys. Kung makita natin na traffic mamaya, okay, bibisitahin, try natin silipin yung ginagawang bypass road. Kasi isa yon, bypass road na yon na solusyon para hindi maging traffic ang sentro ng bayan namin. Alright. Try natin silipin kung malapit na bang matapos, ganyan. Kasi dati doon ako nagkuan eh. Ikukwento ko lang, doon ako tawag dito, nag-practice mag-drive ng 4 wheels sa bypass na yon kasi hindi pa naman open for public, though marami nang dumadaan. Pero hindi pa siya totally open. Siya nga pala guys, kung napapansin nyo, dami ng banderitas dito. Nalalapit na po kasi ang piyesta ng aming bayan, bayan ng Bambang, Ibangbang Festival. Yun. Kaya marami na namang banderitas. Yun. Ito ang palengke namin. Sana hindi ko kasi mabidyoan kasi nagdadrive ako eh. Dito na yung palengke. And pupunta pala tayo sa school ng aking daughter, dun sa St. Catherine School, para magbayad ng kanyang tuition kasi nalalapit na naman ang 3rd grading exam nila. Kailangan magbayad. Yun dami talagang banderitas. Tapos may under construction dito. Yun. Pucha, close pala yun. Wala tayong pagparkingan guys, hanap tayo ng parking. Ay, hanap tayo ng parking. Dito naman yung NBSU, dito ako nag-aral nung high school. Yan, Namibiskaya State University. Ito ang aking alma mater nung ako ay high school. Tara, silipin muna natin yung bypass bago tayo maghanap ng parkingan para minsanan yung balik natin. Hopefully pwede tayong dumaan dito kasi may daan din dito. Yun, dito na tayo sa bypass. Ito yung ginagawa nilang guys, parang tulay nakokonekta doon sa Almaguer North. Yan, so dito tayo, sisilipin natin. Babalikan natin pala. Hanap muna tayo ng lilikuan. Yaw. Walang lilim. Silipin natin muna dito. So yun guys, dito na tayo sa bypass road at ipapakita ko sa inyo yung pinakagilid niya. Yan. Yun oh, sana nakikita nyo. Ayokong lumabas kasi ay napakainit na. Bali ilog yan guys, hanggang doon. Sikip ng aso oh. Siberian Husky, sige. Tapos may mga nakatambay doon. Yan makikita natin mamaya yan guys, yung natapyas na bundok. Yun yung sinasabi kong kukonekta sa Almaguer North. Tinatapyas na yung bundok. So yan. Actually may nagrab akong drone shot kay Marquisa. Isa rin siyang content creator sa Facebook na drone shot nito bypass road. Ayan. So try natin kan mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo. Alright. Let's go, tara na. Kasi hindi pa natin naasikaso yung lakad natin. Hindi pa tayo nakapagbayad. So inuna ko lang to kasi yung plano kong parkingan sana is inoccupied naman nung mga tawag dito, yung mga perya. Kasi nga again, nalalapit na naman ang fiesta. So yan yung sinasabi kong tulay na magdudugtong. So sisingit ko na lang din dito siguro yung drone shot na nagrab ko kay Marquisa. Shoutout sa'yo Marquisa, baka mapanood mo to. Grinab ko yung drone shot mo ng bypass road ng Bambang. Yan, ito na yung tulay. Yung tulay naman na nasa right is pupunta ng Salinas, Bambang, and kukonekta ng Kayapa. Balik na tayo ng sentro ng Bambang. May malapit sana tayong maparkingan para hindi malayo yung lalakarin natin. Close naman na pala yung papunta ng St. Catherine's School kasi inoccupyan pala ng mga perya. Dito kaya sa NBSU may maparkingan kaya dito, pwedeng parkingan. Kaso masyado nang malayo pagka dito ko pumarking. Jollibee kaya parking tayo. Dito na tayo sa St. Catherine's School. Para magbayad. dito yung kaglukan ng sarap kami pa. Dito yung may kami tarpaulin. Paday. Pansit muna tayo dito sa RRB Snack House.
Thank you.
Pansit Bopis, may isa.
May box.
Magkano yung Tropicana? Ramen. Sabaw mo pa yung mila.
Sige.
Yan. Marian datang. Ay, shit. Thank you. Bayad.
Pansit bopis. Pansit.
Bopis.
Finish na. Hindi at nakadinarala ka. Ay, Mari.
Thank you. Sa pansitan kumain pero sa Jollibee nag-parking. Super init guys. So yan. Pauwi na tayo.